Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the Comitalk L7C Pro kit and the Hohem iSteady X3 SE. Both of these gimbals promise to enhance your video recording experience. But how do they stack up against each other? We'll be looking at their stabilization technology, unique features, and overall value for money. Whether you're a TikToker, YouTuber, or just someone who loves capturing moments, this video will help you make an informed choice. When it comes to pricing, the Comitalk L7C Pro kit is priced at $99, making it a premium option for those looking for advanced features. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady X3 SE offers a more budget-friendly price tag of $69. This significant difference in price may influence your decision, especially if you're just starting out in video creation. Both gimbals boast impressive stabilization technology. The Comitalk L7C Pro kit features advanced 9.0 anti-shake technology, designed to provide ultra-smooth footage even in dynamic environments. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady X3 SE utilizes its iSteady 8.0 stabilization, which is also effective but may not match the advanced capabilities of the L7C Pro. Let's see how these technologies perform in real-world scenarios. In terms of unique features, the Comitalk L7C Pro kit stands out with its magnetic AI active tracking and gesture control, allowing for hands-free operation. Meanwhile, the Hohem iSteady X3 SE includes a detachable remote control, which provides convenience for users who prefer to operate their gimbal from a distance. Both features cater to different user preferences, making it essential to consider which functionality aligns better with your shooting style. In conclusion, both the Comitalk L7C Pro kit and the Hohem iSteady X3 SE offer unique advantages for content creators. The L7C Pro is ideal for those seeking advanced tracking features, while the Hohem provides a more budget-friendly option with a detachable remote. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either gimbal could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.